everyone, welcome to your heart readings. So sending you love all the way from India, Bharat, Namaste. Let's start with your reading, and I have a very mysterious message, okay? Not exactly. Yes, of course. So follow me on Instagram, SSHELLS Seychelles Running. I have this message of like they are going to behave, okay? So basically they will behave. I feel something might be wrong or not so right with the person possible, the partner or the person you are dealing, or however your situation fits. This may be even at work, but I kind of get this vibe that something that was not going smooth will go smooth, okay? This energy is telling me that they will behave, means that if they were not talking proper. However, this can go vice versa, but whoever is or was not talking proper, this is going to be the talk that is going to go proper, okay? Wow, what a rhythm. Let's start. And when I was shuffling this card, kind of like flip, but not exactly. I'm going to shuffle it more. You have Justice. So because these are for all the signs collective, so this may be Libra or listening or dealing, but as an energy form, I feel like it's going to be, and it's supposed to be, going in a proper order. Something is going to be in order, okay? They will behave, they will have to. If it is something legal matter, they'll have to listen to the, you know, the law, the legal thing, the court, if that is the case, or someone who is counseling, or the lawyer. If that is not the case, it is about the energy of someone who is going to behave while talking to you, okay? I feel like someone got that warning here for some cases, not for all. Again, this energy, yes, something was not proper, so you have disagreements here. So this is going to be going proper, like a legal, like Libra, like the scales will be fine. Someone is going to be in balance mode in order to talk, so they will behave. They will behave. Out of the blues, they are going to behave. I don't know, this person is, whoa, let's see, what is the overall energy? But someone is going to behave here. So you know if you're dealing with someone and how they are doing and what they were doing, you know, what you should bear and what you should, you know that. You're responsible for your karma. But what is wrong, of course. Some of you might be dealing with a Leo, or the Leo one might be listening to the reading. Okay, can you give us the energy? Can you give us the heart energy, like the overall energy? Okay, so first card first. Lot of exclamations here, the way the one is going to behave now, because they will behave. You are going to be very much in exclamations and startle season. The reason is the things that happened, or things that ended, or things those were ghosted or no contact, okay? Something that is an extreme, or was an extreme, but it ended, okay? So it is about someone who stopped talking here, and if this is you stopped it, then they are going to behave, because it is, I feel like that kind of energy which is about after no contact season does come. But let's see, okay? It's giving me the vibe of like after so much that happened, I don't want to talk. This is end of our conversation. I feel like someone is saying this is end of our conversation. I am not willing to have any kind of talk with you in the future, okay? And as if like someone is saying good luck, but I feel like they are having that flight in the night around your notification, or around your area if they live nearby. They want to like talk, okay? So they might be like checking where you are going if they're near, or if they are just checking your social media and all that stuff. They're just checking that how they can contact you again, okay? Look, the Hermit. Someone is unapproachable here, or might not be opening up, but the one, this may be Virgo, but the one who is interested in talking, okay? I feel like they might be inwards. I'm not saying that kind of energy, but they are really figuring out that if I am also like this and the person is also behaving like that, then what is going to happen? Okay, what is going to happen? Because they are not messaging me. They are startled with the fact, if they are the reason, that you are not messaging them. You're not on the lookout now. I'm done. So I'm hearing like completion at all costs. Like I have to do it. Okay, move on. Good luck. But with this, someone is inwards, not telling exactly, but then again, someone is coming out of the cocoon or kind of like their cave and they're looking out for you. There is a Virgo. There may be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. There's Aquarius in particular. And the sign that I gave you, what sign I gave you? Now, this is about someone who is going to be, again, very wise and everything, and suddenly they really want to talk. They will behave. Like they are coming out and they're going to be like, I want to talk to you. But you're like, boom, I don't want, kind of energy. Let's see. As if like, by looking at this, they're giving me the vibe of like very, very strict. Like, it is important, like, to be strict or rigid at times, and you're like, it's over. This may be King of Cups for some. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Listening, dealing, okay? Like, it's the lookout for, is it really over? And they are going to behave because they really want to talk. You have Knight of Wands energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius vibe. This may be any sign listening, dealing, again, is like for collective, but as an energy form, there is some approach. An approach of someone who is feeling this, wanting this, desiring this, and want to talk about this. So Ace of Cups, okay? This person, whoever came and went by very fast, or something might have happened, or they may not have behaved properly, they may not have acted properly, they're going to act and behave proper because of all this that happened. Oh my god, someone is not looking out for me. Okay, I was like this. What is it? Does that make sense? I mean, if I am trying and I ended, then you are coming out of nowhere like this. Oh my god, they're in a hurry. I'm telling you that they're excited to know what do you feel. So there's going to be some phase in your life, the next creative approach from some person, whoever this is. If you know already, you're going to figure out. If this is new, you're going to figure out. There is something. For some cases, this is going to be next phase of your life. I'm telling you that because after all of this. And they're going to be, oh my god, are you moving on? Are you accepting something? Are you dating someone? They have that curiosity to know about you. Definitely there's going to be overwhelming situation and love matter here. Definitely. Okay. Let's see. And this may be from someone who was so confused. Possible. Okay. This is someone who presented as if it doesn't matter, or they never did that fight to enter the realm. Okay, so Queen of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. You have Seven of Cups energy. Confusions that prevail between you and this person, and they're going to like literally come around, and they're going to literally talk, or they're going to contact you in order to tell you that listen, wait, I want to talk to you. I know I've done this mess. I know that I was chaotic. I know that I've done this. I know, but let me clear the confusion here. Okay, and you're going to be, what confusion? What confusion? Like, I have love for you. Like, I want to talk to you. They may present as if like, I have these things in my mind. I want to, look, fine. You go and achieve that. Don't do that. But then they have this reason to linger on with you, or linger on for this thought. Whoever this is going, okay, goes vice versa. Four of Pentacles energy. Someone is not closing this chapter. They're not letting go because they're possessive. They feel for you. They love you, especially with Ace of Cups. They want to clear out that muddy water with you. They want to renew something with you, just like Lotus. They want to hold and they want to stick around. Okay, they live around your area. They may create that chaos and conflict with self, and they're going to stop, and they might actually visit your home, possible for some cases if they live nearby. Apart from that, they are pretending and living in the deception zone of self, like wearing that mask, kind of that, no, I don't feel that, but exactly their heart is glowing. Okay, and this may be this person. he won't be, because it's he, but this can be she, he won't be able to curb, no more. He won't be, because he'll have to behave in order to be here. And I feel like it's not about, because maybe someone will say, what about behave? Okay, but yes, it is about behave. If someone doesn't behave proper, I can say that they are behaving proper. Behavior is so important. If I talk rash, I am not behaving proper, that's for sure. But then there are reasons. Okay, they're looking forward, I'm telling you that they're looking forward to contact you. Some of them will have problems. Look, they are looking forward to contact you. They are having problems. They are going to choose chrysalis. They are going to choose transition with you. The Ace of Wands is, I can't resist this, because I am concerned for you, attracted towards you. I can't let loose. Okay. And I'm having hiccups. Who is missing me? Is someone about to contact me? Huh? Oh, please. They have determination of emotions, whoever this is. There are so many. The last card was Lovers. Okay, this card fell and this card came. So it's about when you are busy, when you don't want to get distracted, and out of the blues there's going to be a message waiting, and there's going to be crow, 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 crow. When I say crow, crow, there's a messenger. There's going to be certain specifications, like they're going to specify something to you that they really want to polish and they really want to merge in and they want to talk about. Basically, they want to organize this, whatever is messed up. Looking forward to talk to you, meet you, 12-12 recording time, 6 of Swords energy. They know that you are traveling, that you are not stopping. They know that you are so far now. They know there may be distance. But this is also about, while busy, they are being distracted with your thought. Or however this fits you. This is about long time no conversation heading towards your way or meeting. There is going to be some contact coming in the picture. Okay? They have this determination to convey what they feel for you. They just don't want to stay in the picture of like a page or the prince, like the knight energy. They really want to be the king or the queen kind of energy. They really need to disclose to you what they exactly feel for you. And that's why they're looking forward to talk to you. However, these are general dreams, so may go vice versa. They really want to manifest those emotions with you. And they want to tell you, stop, I am going to tell you what exactly I want, what exactly I've achieved. They're looking forward to meet you. They have feelings for you, I'm telling you that. And they have been in this feeling zone, like thinking for a long time actually. This is ECG, electrocardiograph, okay? Now this is from my own deck. There's going to be some shivers happening. This is about their heart is beating or your heart is beating. This is about situation that is falling. It's about attraction. It is about something that was supposed to happen. And there's going to be tremor. Tremor, not Trevor. Tremor, T-R-E-M-O-R, which is about the shake-up. Something is happening beneath, okay? And it's going to cause this. And there's going to be surprise call. So you're about to make or you're going to receive. Whatever is going to be, it is going to be. Someone will behave and a surprise call is here. So behave when you talk, behave when you are conveying something. This makes sense. It's an interesting reading. Actually, I love this reading because there's going to be something happening, okay? And if I remove all these cards, you still have electrocardiograph and surprise call, which makes so much of sense here that, I can't let loose. I have to talk. And that is what important is. When someone wants to make it work, they'll behave to make it work. Okay? Whether it's you or whether it's them. And both of you. So there's going to be hearts are beating. No one can stop this connection. The confusion, the mess people are going through, they're going to about to choose properly. And they are going to live no longer in distraction or deception. Okay? And look out is happening. A surprise call. You people can expect that. something is going to make your heart beat fast. So hopefully your dreams come true, hopefully your desires come true. Love you, see you soon, bye.